Hi guys, so I was going to show you how to add another colour to your granny square, and it's very easy to do. So say you've got this far with your granny square, so I've done 2 rounds. You could do as many rounds as you want to, and I've got to the corner. I've done my 2 slip stitches or chain stitches to get round the corner, and I want to add another colour for my next round. I've got this yellow, bright yellow for the first part of the granny square. The next round I'm going to do in this lovely lilac, which I think lilac and yellow go together very nicely. So I'm going to take I've got a 4mm crochet hook, whichever crochet hook you're using. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 stitches, and I'm going to go into the top of those 3 stitches. I'm going to take my lilac colour, hold it like this, put it around the hook, pull it under the stitch, then through the stitch that I've just made with the chain, pull that one tighter, and then when I turn it over, I've now got 3 ends, so I need to leave that one there. I need to cut my yellow, tie the yellow and the lilac, couple of ties just to keep it firm. I'm going to cut these ends, but not too short because I can sew them in later. And there I have my new colour, and I'm going to carry on my stitching with 2 chains, 2 double crochet into the corner of the granny square, pull through 2, pull through 2 around the hook in the space, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1 because I'm going across, 3 more double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, pull through 2, and there I've started off my next colour. I think that looks lovely, the lilac against the yellow. Right, I'll catch you guys soon. Cheerio.